Welcome to our channel. If you want to maximize interest earnings, follow these step-by-step instructions to leverage annual percentage yield through multiple accounts and promotions. Step 1. Understand the difference between APY and interest rate. Annual percentage yield includes compound interest and gives you the true earning rate on your savings. Step 2. Compare APYs across multiple banks and credit unions. Online banks typically offer significantly higher rates than traditional brick-and-mortar institutions. Step 3. Take advantage of promotional high-yield savings account offers. Many banks offer temporary higher rates for new customers or limited-time promotions. Step 4. Open accounts at multiple institutions to maximize high APY benefits. Many high-rate accounts have balance caps, so spreading money across banks increases total earnings. Step 5. Use checking accounts that pay interest on balances. Some banks offer high-yield checking with rates competitive to savings accounts for meeting simple requirements. Step 6. Combine bonuses with high APY accounts. Look for accounts offering both competitive ongoing interest rates and new account opening bonuses. Step 7. Set up automatic transfers to meet account requirements easily. Many high-yield accounts require minimum deposits, transactions, or direct deposits to earn the advertised rate. Step 8. Monitor promotional rates and switch accounts when better offers appear. Don't be loyal to banks when significantly higher rates are available elsewhere. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.